Okay, you guys, my obsession with the chrome nail powders on the rocks continues, and that's what this design is about. I'm going to make a happy little cloud with some heart raindrops. This is great for Valentine's Day, but really any time of the year. So I'm starting out by creating my cloud. I used my soapstone pencil from Happy Dotting Company first to line it out, and now I am filling in a base coat of Liquitex gesso just to give a nice base, give the paint a little bit of grip for that white paint so we have a nice fluffy cloud. I am a little bummed that I have not been painting as much as I want to, or probably as much as I need to, because life has been a little stressful. It's been busy, and the last couple of weeks in the US have been very chaotic, and I just need my rocks, because my rocks are where I recenter. And so I'm going to spend some time this weekend for sure painting some rocks. I didn't get as many Valentine designs out as I wanted this year, but that's okay. I really like this one. I had fun with it. Now I'm filling in my cloud with the white paint. I used a satin paint, so this actually has a little bit of a sheen to it. And one of the things that I did when I was putting this white paint on is you can see that I'm kind of going in these circular motions and letting that texture stay there so that it kind of the cloud has some texture to it. And I did give it a couple of coats just to make sure that it had a nice solid coverage and had that nice, fun, swirly texture to it. Now that our cloud is situated, I'm going to take a Posca PC1MR black paint pen, and I'm going to draw some little hearts. So these are kind of like the larger raindrops, I guess, coming out of the cloud. And some of them I ended up kind of re-outlining, and it's a little thicker like that one I just did there. And I'm not worried about it because I'm going to come through with the gel top coat and the chrome powder, and I can kind of cover it up if I made my line too thick. So just the basic idea to start is to get the hearts on here, and then I'm going to add some lines and some dots just to kind of give that idea of the motion of the rain falling. Now I'm going to take the UV gel top coat and a disposable eyeliner brush and just fill in my little hearts with the gel top coat. And this will need to cure under a UV light. I'm also going to add some dots around the lines and kind of all over the place. But in my video last week, I showed you some different adhesives that you can use for these, for the chrome nail powders. And one of the benefits of the gel top coat is it's faster. You put it on here, it's not as easy to manipulate when you're painting it on, so I would say simple shapes only, but then you cure it under the light and we'll add the mica powder. There's also the Deco foil adhesive, which I also liked and is good for more intricate designs, but that one you have to put it on and then wait about an hour before you can put the nail powder on. I'll link that video above and in the description just in case you missed it if you want to see some different options on how you can put these chrome nail powders on. Now we're going to cure the gel top coat for 1 minute, and now's the fun part. I'm going to just take a little eyeshadow applicator and the different colors of the chrome nail powder, and you just kind of rub it on to the gel top coat, and it is so much fun. It's so bright and shiny, and the other thing that I really like about it is with the gel top coat, I think this is probably less so with the Deco foil, but with this gel top coat, it almost gives it kind of a 3D effect. It's like puffy hearts, like they have a texture to them, and you can see that it's raised and you can feel it. And so that was kind of a fun advantage of the gel top coat, but it's just so shiny. You rub it in and it kind of looks glittery at first, but the more you rub it in, it just turns into a straight sheen, just a really shiny chrome look. And so now I'm also adding some multicolored dots. I had some dots of the gel top coat, and I'm just going to fill those in with the different colors. Now, if you don't want to go shopping and invest in more rock painting supplies, you could always do this with paint, with glitter paint, lots of other options with stuff you probably already have on your shelf. Now, to get all the excess powder off, I'm just going to use, this is a Swiffer duster that I stole out of our closet. I took it off the little handle thingy and I'm just swiping it over. I think you could also use a makeup brush. It would work really well. And then I'm coming in with a very fine detail nail art brush because that gel top coat is a little trickier to manipulate. My edges weren't as perfect as I wanted, so I'm actually going back and just kind of fixing that black outline a little bit. Now I'm going to come back to that Posca PC1MR paint pen and I'm going to outline my cloud. So this is very simple, kind of having some overlapping lines to give that nice puffy look of a cloud. A little bit of character to this cute cloud. I'm going to have a smiley face and 2 closed eyes because clouds are often associated with sleeping, right? So this cloud is sleeping and just raining down love on us. I'm also going to add some rosy cheek dots with a very light pink paint, and I'm going to kind of swirl in that extra paint with a dotting tool so it doesn't crack when it dries. And how much fun is this design? Oh my gosh. And look, after resin, it shines even more. I didn't think it was possible. The resin makes it shine even more. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch. I hope you had fun with this design and you decide to make some and put them out into the world. Take care, and I'll see you next time.